How to fix Android stuck on green screen. If your Android device is stuck on a green screen, this issue could be caused by a software glitch, system crash, hardware malfunction, or even a third-party app conflict. So here's how to troubleshoot and fix the problem. First of all, force restart the device. Force restarting your phone might fix temporary software glitches or freezes. To force restart, you need to hold down the power button and the volume down button simultaneously for 10 to 20 seconds until the device reboots. After the restart, check if the issue has been resolved or not. If not, you can boot into safe mode. Booting your phone into safe mode disables the third-party apps and helps determine if an app is causing the issue. To enter the safe mode, hold the power button until the power menu appears. You need to long press power off until the reboot to safe mode prompt appears, then tap OK button. Your phone will restart in safe mode indicated by a safe mode label at the bottom of the screen. If the phone works normally in safe mode, an app is likely causing the problem or installed recently installed or suspicious apps. Further, you can also check for system updates and perform a factory reset also. Lastly, if none of the issues work, you need to contact the manufacturer's customer support or take the device to an unauthorized repair center for diagnostics. So, following this way, you can easily fix Android stuck on green screen. That's all for today. Hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, hit the like button and subscribe. Thank you for watching.